Warning for our Vechain holder, my brother, especially for new holder who invest in a new in this time in the current condition is going to be very bad, my friend, of Vechain, especially from last days. Vechain is completely fails down. Remember to this is not a motivational video and not, my friend, especially a financial video. So kindly, this is I just advise you. Otherwise, this is depend on you, my friend, to you sell or hold. But definitely after this video, absolutely you know about the future of Vechain to can they move upward in upcoming time or not. Let's check out this time. You can see here the latest update is going to be positive. All cryptocurrencies is wake up after a long time. After a long time, all cryptocurrencies wake up and they starting moving upward in the moon. So definitely it's a good news, my friends, for all holder. Vechain is also moving upward plus 1.5%. Their price will be profit, my brother. You can see here in the price come to 0.5 USD dollar. If we check out, my brother, this time you can see, remember this last 1 hour they are the positive. If we check out the last 24-hour chart, absolutely, my friends, we understand to upcoming time there is a chance to them moving upward or not. So yes, brother, please like this video, subscribe this channel. You can see, my brother, this time the Vechain, as you can see here, take a jump. Every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So you can see, my brother, they completely moving in this circulation. So it's mean to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So exactly, my friends, you need to hold in those days, especially because, my brother, especially the short-term investors, they are starting investing, and the price come to this point. So I hope, my friends, if you hold it, then exactly, my brother, you are completely in the loss. You are completely in the profit. So you need to hold and absolutely make a good profit. Thanks for watching, all holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.